ways to secure a twist bun using hair sticks. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail. Start twisting the hair gently until it starts to coil back onto itself. Then wrap the hair up and around itself to form a bun using your fingers to mark the center. Continue twisting as you wrap. Take one of the club hair sticks and insert the end into the edge of the bun at the top corner. Then flip the hair stick so you can catch some of your scalp hair and gently push down through the bun. You should feel the hair stick along your scalp. Repeat with the other club hair stick at the opposite corner. You will create an X formation within your bun. To use a thicker hair stick, create your bun in the same way. Insert the end of the T hair stick into the side edge of the bun, then flip so you can catch some of your scalp hair, and gently push horizontally through the bun until it pokes out the other end. Which method is your favorite?
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.